So you've never made cornbread?
I have, well, according to your husband, I have never made cornbread. So let's just say this is my first cornbread. He says I make corn cake.
Okay, you put sugar in yours.
I have. Okay, so we got ourselves 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of cornmeal, and an egg. We got the pan. All right.
All right, you need to roll up your sleeves.
Okay.
And wash your hands.
All right. Happy to do both. I'm in your world now, right?
That's right. Where we try to keep all things cow out of the food. But what you want to do is to get your oven preheated to 450.
450, okay.
Right. And you want to get the same iron skillet.
Okay.
Nothing goes in my iron skillet except for cornbread. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
And I never ever wash it.
So that's your iron. That's your cornbread iron skillet.
Absolutely.
And then how do you keep it clean, or what do you do?
I wipe it out each time
With
in water.
That's it.
No soap.
And just your hand, or do you use anything scratchy or anything?
No, I don't want to ever use anything scratchy on
Okay.
it. Now you can see I put a little Pam on there because I want to keep it seasoned. I
Okay.
don't want it to rust. And if you put water,
It'll rust.
you can get some rust.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is heat my oil. Now a lot of people don't do this.
Okay.
Like I said, there are many, many different ways to cook
No, this
it.
is Andra's way.
This is my
That's
way.
why I'm here for this way.
I
How
use
much?
vegetable oil. I use 1/4 of a cup. The 1/4 of a cup goes into the bowl. And then you've got to have some to bathe your mix.
Got it.
I'm going to go ahead and preheat this as well because when I pour the mix into my skillet, it's going to go directly over there.
So 7 minutes of heating up the oil and the pan.
Right.
Now this bowl only for cornbread.
Well, no, I cook anything in this bowl.
Okay.
But you want to visualize what it looks like, and if you use the same bowl each time, you sort of get a memory
I love
of
that.
what it should look like.
We're visualizing cornbread. That
Yes,
is like
we
one of
are.
the best things to visualize. That is awesome. Okay.
2 cups of cornmeal.
Now, 2 cups of buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Got it.
And again, you can use water, you can use regular milk, you can use buttermilk.
Okay. But you use buttermilk.
But I use buttermilk.
And that's then what I will be using.
And don't pour it all in.
Okay.
Leave about 1/4 of a cup
Okay.
and just stir.
Stir while I'm pouring in? Okay.
Very good. All right, go ahead and crack your egg.
Okay.
And you're gonna,
Just all in here, right?
just throw it in there. And you're just gonna stir it up. Now, a lot of people whisk theirs, and it just depends on what kind of texture you want. And we're gonna use a pinch of salt. And you don't need salt, but this is my favorite salt. All right, get your pinch.
Just a pinch.
Just a tiny bit, yeah, and put it in. Now, if you want to put sugar in it, we can put sugar in
No,
it.
no. I've been taught. You don't put sugar in yours, right?
No.
Then no, we're not
No.
putting sugar in.
But most people do.
But we're not
And a
here for
lot-
most people. We're
okay,
here for Andra.
I started to say most people put sugar in theirs. It's it's sort of like religion. Everybody has their own belief,
Right,
and it's really hard to change.
right. Or like grazing.
Right. You're gonna take your skillet,
Those are fancy.
and you're going to pour 1/4 of a cup
Oh,
into this.
okay.
Now this is going to give you a little bit of a crust.
Got it.
All right, now
Okay.
you're going to pour just 1/4 of the cup and leave the rest.
So stir while I go?
Yes, please. Awesome. Hear that sizzle? Ah, nice.
That's about right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now you're going to put that on the eye. There you go. Stir it up. Oh, it looks perfect. Put your mix over there, and then we're gonna just bathe a little oil around it. Perfect.
Nice and even all the way around?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And now?
Pour it in.
Pour it in.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And you may not want to use all the mixes, depending upon whether or not you want thick cornbread or thin.
So that's the magic moment right
Oh,
there.
that's it. That's perfect. Okay, and you see how the oil is coming up a little bit?
And so how long do we cook this?
Go ahead and put your oven mitt on,
Uh-huh.
and then we're going to put it in the oven.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice touch. Okay, that truly is.
Okay, now
Okay.
be careful not to burn yourself because this oven's hot.
And right in the middle like that?
Perfect.
Okay.
And then you're going to cook it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Well, actually, I put it 18. Then we're going to flip it,
Okay.
and we'll cook it 2 more minutes.
Sounds good.
Because you want to wait until it's nice and golden,
Uh-huh.
and then you're going to flip it, and then you want to get it brown.
Now, this recipe of cornbread that we're talking about right now, this is your recipe or John's mom's recipe?
It's a combination. I learned to cook cornbread from my Aunt Vera. The first good cornbread I ever made was because of her,
Okay.
because I was doing it all wrong.
Right.
And then John's mom gave me the tips. But I made probably, I don't know, 100, 120 batches that were totally, I just went right to the garbage can. I mean, you couldn't even eat it. You can read a recipe, but until someone shows you, it was difficult for me.
It's different.
I'm a slow learner. So she
Yeah.
took me aside and she showed me how to make it, and then it started becoming edible.
I got you.
And then when John's mom got a hold of me, it started being good.
Got it. But this is on me. I'm making this batch, so you have no
Well,
responsibilities.
that's okay, because we're not going to eat it at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, yes,
anyway.
we are. Yes, I am. I'm hungry.
Oh, it looks good. Okay.
So
Yeah, we're ready.
So you just had a feeling because you're still a minute left.
Yeah, I just looked. I don't want it to get too
Oh, it's
brown on
gorgeous.
the bottom.
Look how it's come in from the edges. That is awesome.
You can trust him to flip it.
I absolutely am going to trust you to flip it.
It's the
No, you're making
Yeah.
it a lot harder than it is.
Yeah, I guess I am.
Just flip it. There you go.
Look at that.
Oh, it's
Oh,
gorgeous.
awesome.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. There
Oh, that
you
is
go.
easy. Okay.
See,
then
I've got it on 440 and it's still cooking a little hot.
You said it was going to be 2 more minutes on the other side, but you put in 3 minutes.
Yeah, because it was I could smell it on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
So I wanted to go ahead and turn it, but my top didn't get exactly like I wanted it.
Got it. So that was not cooked enough on.
Top, but I could smell
That's
it.
now
burning
going to
on
get the
bottom.
pan heat. Got it. Oh, this is going to be good. Is that time?
We're going to look.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh, that looks so good.
Take it out.
All right. And
And I hate to tell you this.
You're going to intuit the other side of it right now. Do you want me to lift it up or?
I want you to flip it back onto there and let's see if it's all good. Just throw it, yeah. Oh man,
Perfect?
that's perfect.
Awesome. Awesome.
On your first try, that's not
Let
fair.
me get you some butter.
Yeah. Screw the grazing. Let's have some cornbread. Oh man, that looks so good. And then do you cut in wedges?
Mhm.
Okay. I just want to make sure I'm
But
not-
you can cut it anyhow. Any way
Well,
you want to cut it.
I'm here.
Oh, you
I heard
can,
that crunch. You
you
hear it?
can hear it. You can hear it. It's going to be delicious.
Yep, there it is. All right. Oh, good. And your butter's room temp. Let's see what happens. That's awesome. Really.
It's good, isn't it?
I mean, that's just perfect.
On your first try, you didn't even have to throw any away.
No, I wouldn't ever throw it away.
I am so proud of you. That's awesome.
That is great. That's really good.
Oh man,
What would your mom say about it?
Nothing to complain about this.
I don't think she could. I don't
Wow.
think she could find anything wrong. I give you an A
Now, this
plus.
is very good.
This is awesome.
Awesome.
We don't do that very well on food. No, we're very honest.
All right. Well, then let's cut and enjoy. You're very kind to teach me this. Now I know how to
You
make
know, this
cornbread.
is not a bad breakfast food.
It's not a bad breakfast food.
Man.
You throw a fried egg on that and
Right.
everything's good.